interior detail on a 2014 BMW X5. So I took out the floor mats here, got that all cleaned up. It's all gonna get cleaned up. Condition the leather, so you can see the dust. Not too bad on the salt buildup there. Back seat. Alright, so that was just a quick interior detail on that BMW X5. I just rinsed out the outside just because it was full of mud and all that, and I didn't want to get any more dirt inside the car, so it was easier to rinse it off. And my friend was happy with it. He was actually quite shocked that he's never seen his interior that clean before, and I don't think he's ever cleaned it in a long while, so I hope that he enjoys it a lot. And I'm gonna take you around the garage and show you how I have my things laid out. As you can see, I got most of my products on the wall here. I just did this recently. Actually, I did it last night. I was gonna record the video then, but I just too tired to finish that. So I used to have a pegboard and shelves up here, but I felt that it was too bulky and, well, not bulky, but like it felt all over the place, and I didn't like handling those hooks and all that. So now that I have these shelves, like that are more versatile for me. And all my products I can keep in these caddies, and you know, I can pick them up and take them with me if I need to go on a job somewhere. And then my compressor, 8-gallon compressor, bucket sprayer, and my hose is linked up to the water bib there. And then these are towel rods I got off Facebook Marketplace for 10 bucks. So I can hang towels, because they're towel rods, of course. Or other things, I could hang bottles on there. I got my initial D pitcher, the 8.6 and the FD. Moose head from Moose Head Beer. The knee shells, my dad and I put these up to take things off the floor, of course. And more product. Actually, I like using this stuff. $1.25 for almost 2 liters. And then this shelf I put up last week just to get things off the ground higher up. And then more Optimum products. This is OptiSeal. Still gotta finish that. Then Hypercoat. This is my solar light that's finished charging. It's from Eastwood. Focus there. Pressure washer. I got this off, also got off Marketplace. Most of the stuff I have in here I got off Marketplace. You find good savings when you get lucky with that. I got this pressure washer for 60 bucks. Guy never used it and made good with it. Got this hose from Lowe's for I think 40 bucks. And this handle I got off Amazon with the foam cannon for like 30 bucks. Snowblower for my roommate's bike, and additional storage up here. And then I got lights, so I didn't finish this side of painting the ceiling. I ran out of paint, haven't done it in a while. I should probably do that this year, hopefully. These LED lights got off Home Depot, 2 of them for 30 bucks. So they give me some good illumination. I'll probably get some more lights. I'll probably do 2 going that way, and then another 2 going that way towards the back. And hopefully put lights on the side, on the walls here. And there you go. So I'm gonna shoot some more videos in the next few days. I'm gonna tackle the wheels on my car because I didn't do the wheels on the first wash video I made. And let me know, give me some feedback if there's anything that you'd like to see that I could do that'll I'll get you guys to watch some more. So thank you guys.